And I'm going to give you a very funny example of the level of participation. Uh, there have been suppliers calling me saying, I want to be 100% accurate or on time in my delivery. So please ask your warehouse to be receiving on a real-time basis. So what that tells me is that the suppliers are going into source day, are looking at the orders, are looking at how we're receiving, and are following exactly the service index that source day has, and for them it is very important for them to reach some kind of a higher service index.